In a quiet village surrounded by green hills and whispering trees lived a boy named Aaron. He was 12 years old, with wide, thoughtful eyes and a heart that felt too much. After losing his parents in a tragic accident, Aaron had been living with his distant uncle, who barely spoke to him. Every day he went to school, returned home, finished his chores, and sat silently by the window, watching the sky change colors. Aaron felt invisible. He believed no one truly saw him. No one truly cared. The pain inside him grew heavy, like carrying a bag full of unspoken words. He didn't laugh like the other children. He didn't run or play. He simply existed. One rainy afternoon, while walking home, Aaron took a longer path through the woods, hoping to be alone with his thoughts. The rain had softened into a mist, and the smell of wet earth filled the air. That's when he noticed an old cottage hidden behind some tall bushes. Curious, he stepped closer. The door was slightly open. Inside, a frail old man sat by the fire, humming to himself while carving something from wood. Startled, the man looked up and smiled gently. "Ah, visitor. Come in. No need to stay wet." Aaron hesitated but stepped inside. "What brings you here, young one?" the man asked, offering him a dry towel. Aaron shrugged. "Just walking." The man nodded, sensing the boy's silence carried more than words. "I'm Elias," he said. "People don't come here often, but those who do usually carry something heavy, like you." Aaron looked up, surprised. Elias motioned to a nearby stool. "Sit. Let's share some warmth." They sat together in silence, the fire crackling softly. After a while, Elias handed Aaron a small wooden bird he had carved. "Do you know what this is?" "A bird," Aaron replied quietly. "It's a phoenix," Elias said. "A bird that rises from ashes. It burns, it falls, and then it rises again, stronger." Aaron traced the bird's wing with his finger. "I don't feel strong." "Most people don't," Elias replied. "But pain doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've lived, and you're still here." Tears welled in Aaron's eyes. No one had spoken to him like this before. No one had noticed the storm inside him. Elias continued, "I lost my daughter years ago. She was about your age. I built this cottage to escape the noise of the world. But what I learned here is that healing begins when you stop hiding." Aaron looked into the fire, feeling warmth not just from the flames, but from Elias's words. "You are not alone," Elias said gently. One day he carved his own phoenix and gave it to Elias. "Thank you," he said, "for reminding me I still have wings." Elias smiled, holding the carving close. "And thank you for reminding me I still have purpose." Moral of the story: true strength is not the absence of pain, but the courage to keep going despite it. You may feel alone, but healing begins the moment you allow someone in. Even in silence, love and purpose can be found.